before they came in, it was just an old house, and we did a lot of remodeling to it on our own. Tim came by and saw my husband in his office. He has an office downtown. And Jane came home and said that we were going to speak with this Tim about siding our house. And so he came, very nice to work with, very nice gentleman. And we decided that this was one thing we wanted to do. We decided to go ahead and do the siding. And the other things came along with the siding, which we really have enjoyed. They did 5 windows. They put on the back porch or the awning. They put the new front porch on, doorways. Whatever we asked them to do, actually they did. The fellow who put on our awning, he was absolutely a charmer. He was just wonderful. I fed them dinners. We just had a wonderful time with them. All of them were very, very good. One thing I talked about was the quietness in the house. We don't hear the winds. We don't hear the traffic. And also, just when you drive by, it just looks so good. You know, you got your awnings, your white siding, and I'm just really proud of this house. It just feels like people say that we kind of have a show house now. They go by and they see the awnings and everything. The community has really been obliging to see how well we've done with our house. Oh yes, I do. In fact, while we were doing our house, we had several other friends also doing Energy Guard. And I would recommend it to anyone. Just super, super stuff.